In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage a Renderforest account. If you use Renderforest to create videos, logos, or websites, keeping your account organized saves time and helps your projects look consistent. We'll walk through where to find your account controls and what each area does, so you can confidently make updates without hunting through menus. First, log into Renderforest. Use your usual sign-in method and make sure you're on the official site. Keep your credentials secure and avoid entering them on shared or unfamiliar devices. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon. This might be your avatar, initials, or a generic user symbol. Click that to open a small menu, then choose View Your Profile. This takes you to your account hub where all your key settings live. Inside your profile, start with your account details. This is where you can update things like your display name and profile image and ensure your contact information is accurate. Keeping this section current helps with notifications, receipts, and project ownership. Make edits thoughtfully and avoid sharing sensitive information in public-facing fields. Next, check your subscriptions. Here you can see which plan you're on, your renewal date, and billing cycle. Review whether the plan matches your current workload and features. If you often hit export limits or need higher quality outputs, this is where you'll confirm whether your plan fits. Keep an eye on renewal timelines so there are no surprises, and verify that your payment method is up to date. Move to invoices to keep your records tidy. You can review past charges and download invoices for accounting or reimbursements. Make sure your billing details are correct so your documents reflect the right information. Regularly saving invoices can simplify expense tracking and tax time. Under Preferences, tailor the platform to how you work. Adjust general settings like interface options and notifications, and choose what types of updates you want to receive. Thoughtful preferences reduce clutter and help you focus on the tools you use most. Finally, set your colors and fonts. This is your brand kit. Choose primary and secondary colors that align with your brand and pick fonts that are legible across titles and captions. Consistent branding makes your projects look polished and professional. Aim for strong contrast between text and background and stick to a small, cohesive palette for a cleaner look. After making changes in any section, look for a Save or Update button to confirm. Take a quick moment to review your edits before moving on. And that's it. Your Renderforest account is now organized, accurate, and ready to support your creative work.